Ngibingelele kuwe laleli, ngiyathemba wajaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe ke ukuthi-ke uma usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke, ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke ke izintsha-ke nje engizobe ngifake zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ungawenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungacindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe manje. Abakulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke lapha nithi sivele obale inhlangano-ke laphana-ke ejoyine i-M_K-ke laphana-ke yathi-ke izovota-ke ne-M_K-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke isebenzisana nayo-ke laphana-ke yaveza-ke okuningi-ke netulo layo-ke ne-M_K-ke laphana-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi ngempela into nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke yakhe-ke lo mlisa lo walo-ke leli qembu-ke leli-ke uzizwele ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mengicela phansi masuzuleke le video le ngene comment section-ke ufushe uvo lwakho ngakho lokho lolu daba-ke lolu thuna-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke masicela nebhathini nje usubscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha sobe sikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Unkunzi beyivimba wakandaba ngisanikezwe i-responsibility nami yokuba unobhala jikelele wemanda we-casino o-South Africa, an alliance that loves umkhonto wesizwe. President mawuthunywa vele kutshintsha izinto, kodwa ngithanda ukuthi sicela ukuthi Dudu njengoba silahlekele ilamasotsha alahlekile, kodwa kubalekile ukuthi sithathe umkhonto siqhubeke siye phambili ngoba indlela esihambayo iseseyiningi iseseyinkulu. Fanele silwe ne-establishment, fanele sidismantle the status quo. We must break everything that is called ANC. We must break everything that is called government of national unity. But we cannot do it if amongst ourselves as Umkhonto weSizwe and alliance partners were not united. Asizanga kumuntu la sise kunkululeko yomuntu omnyama nokuphakamisa isithunzi somuntu omnyama. Let our priorities be remembered ukuthi size ukuzokhulula umuntu omnyama. Lento eyahlula iminyaka sivotela abantu ayingabi ke seyenzeka la kumkhonto wesizwe. Osisheli siyanthemba la nikhona ukuthi aningasithena amandla nangu 2026 ufikile siyibambile thina lento sisayilwa, and by voting with umkhonto wesizwe and voting umkhonto wesizwe 368,000 constituent of Mausa all around the country are suffering. Today you are being paid. Contracts are terminated because we chose umkhonto wesizwe. Our members all over the country in PWP and CWP are being paid through termination of contracts. But unapologetic, we are going to stand. We are going to stand, and if given an opportunity and a chance to vote again, we'll do what we did and vote with the So umkhonto wesizwe, we are carrying the aspiration of the nation. Yekelane nikwenzani asizelanga lokho kuzekala. Viva umkhonto wesizwe, viva. Gaza umkhonto wesizwe, mgaza. Viva the undying spirit of our comrades, viva. Chikitela umkhonto wesizwe, chikitela. Umkhonto wesizwe, aha. Awuwe umbuso webhejana uwe. Awuwe umbuso wamabhafala uwe. Awuwe umbuso wempumulo uwe. Awuwe umbuso we-NGO uwe. Umkhonto aha. Amandla.